Sir, I saw you in one of the hearings speaking on bench hunting, or some people objecting to certain cases, politically motivated, politically important cases, as they said, given to a particular judge. How do you respond to that? Is it happening, or what is behind all this, the kind of allegations which were made against the Chief Justice of India?
Well, I must tell you that there are very well defined structures and processes for the allocation of cases. First, the roster by virtue of which cases are assigned according to subject matter is printed in advance under the authority of the Chief Justice. So the roster is notified for everyone to see, and it's in the public realm. It's published on the website of the Supreme Court. Second, that's equally important, every judge of the Supreme Court is a judge of the Supreme Court. Every judge is entitled to decide any case which is assigned by the Chief Justice to them in terms of the roster. Third, and I've been a member of the bar as well, no lawyer can insist that I will have my case decided only by a particular judge, because that does not do justice either to the credibility of individual judges or to the purity of the administration of justice. Fourth, there are well-defined processes. Cases are assigned by the Chief Justice when a case comes up for assignment. For instance, if a judge recuses themselves. Normally, cases are assigned according to roster automatically by the computer. If a judge recuses, case is put up before the Chief Justice, and the Chief Justice will then reassign that case. The reassignment may be to a senior judge, it may be to a junior judge. Once the case is assigned to that judge, that case follows the judge. Unless, for instance, the judge falls sick and says, well, I don't want to take up that case. I don't want to take up that case because I'm not on duty for the next month, in which case it has to be reassigned. But I'm very, very clear in my mind that if the credibility of the institution of the Supreme Court is to be maintained, we have to ensure that the allocation of cases in the Supreme Court is not going to be a lawyer-driven allocation. It has to be an allocation which we do in terms of our processes and systems which are laid down in the Supreme Court. Having said that, I can only say that, well, you have to trust your decision makers.
So one final question, again.